Civil Authority had issued an administrative message for the following county/areas: State of Washington, State of Oregon, State of California, State of Nevada, effective until 9:07 p.m. on March 8, 2009, Eastern Mountain Standard Time. This message was brought to you by NBC and Microsoft Windows. This message is regarding the many reports of the computer acting strange yesterday. This is because of the brand new operating system, Wintel 4.0, a operating system based on Windows, but can only run on Intel devices. This is called the Intel system to glitch out and make weird corruptions to the OS saying 666, I will kill you, and many more dangerous messages. The Microsoft company will be suing the Intel company for adding this in. This is John Michael who would have had this in. He is still being searched by police officers, but later on has been found. If you catch John, please dial 911 immediately. If you have not already upgraded to Wintel 4.0, do not upgrade. If you have already upgraded, shut off your Wintel 4.0. Also, be aware and please be advised that the operating system can explode while you're using it. This can cause major damage to life and property. We thank you for your cooperation. We forgot one more thing. If you have any problems on Wintel 4.0, please dial these numbers. For Windows customer support, 8074-691-3074 Microsoft. For Intel Company, 307-406-3079. For Microsoft Corporation, 702-306-5741. Thank you for your cooperation.